Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York coming to you from the beautiful Norwegian gem, and tonight we're going to head up to Poolside to check out the Norwegian Ocean Music Fest. What this is there's about 3 or 4 bands here on the ship. They play at different venues throughout the night. Some rock and roll, some Latin, some popular bands. But what they do is they pick like the all-stars from these bands and they form a super band, an all-star band, and that's the show that they're going to put on tonight. So we got a bunch of really good singers, a bunch of really good musicians. We'll check it out, see how good they are. Upstairs by the pool deck, the Norwegian Gem All-Star Band, Ocean Music Fest. That's a lot to say. Let's check it out, shall we? Looks like I got here just as things were starting. I'm sure this deck is going to fill up pretty quickly soon. And again, there must be at least a dozen bands and more individual musicians here on the ship. And this is like the best of the best. Now, the ship's not going to say that. They're going to call it the Ocean Music Fest. But this is pretty much the best member of every band put together to like create a super band. Kind of like a professional all-star game without the egos. Or maybe there are egos. I really don't know. Anyway, enough of me talking. Let's enjoy the music. That's what this video is all about. Enjoy the free concert here on the New York channel. And tell me how you liked it and what songs you liked. Or what you didn't like. Let me know in the comments below. Let's listen in. This is Captain Morgan. He shows up in all cruise-related videos here on the New York channel. He shows up as a quick flash in the background, including this video. Be the first to spot him and leave a comment below with the timestamp where you spotted him, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Good luck. Okay, so as I edit this, maybe All-Star is pushing it a little bit. It's amazing how much better music sounds when the drinks are free. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. Remember, click on that thanks button, get a shout out on an upcoming video, and a shout out to Trader Show, who left a super thanks on my video from Atlantic City, Lunch in the Park at the Ocean Casino Resort. Thank you so much, Trader Show, for your support of the New York channel. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.